for how to dehydrate the seafood products.
Yeah, actually dehydrating is a promising business nowadays because it's very important for many other agricultural producer. It can extend products shelf life, and some products volume can be higher after dehydrating. So now we want to show you some dehydrating effect of seafoods.
Yes, this is some dehydrated products we did yesterday. As you can see, there are some fish, like the fish small, like the fresh fish, the small fish, and the shells. So let's see what the results. Hello, please, camera close, please.
Wow, is this fish mold?
No, this is yes, it's fish more. Yes, we make this one.
It looks
Yes.
its color is very beautiful.
Yeah, the color is very bright, as you can see.
And one important critical to judge whether the dehydrating effect is good, it's its color.
Yes.
And you can see the color is
Very bright.
cool and
Yes.
bright. And the second critical is its shape. You can see its shape will not shrink too much.
Yeah.
It will not be
Almost like just a little bit shapes because we have the original pictures compared, but this one is the hydrating results. But if I do small one, so this one our customers very satisfied with one.
yeah, its shape and size will not be quite different from when they are before dehydrating.
As here you can see the shrimps is also we make a different size. So you can taste if it's crispy enough.
There are small shrimp and
a
large
big,
shrimp.
yes.
Wow, it is very dry.
Yes. You can hear it's very crisp. Yes.
Yes. If I want to grind them into powder, is that okay?
Yes, it's okay.
So how long does it take for dehydrating them into this statement?
It's around 10 to 12 hours, depends, but it needs to depends on how the humidity they want and which people model the machines.
Okay,
Yes.
if a customer he do not know much dehydrating tips about shrimp, can we give them some suggestion if they just let us know more about their needs?
Yes, okay. As you know, this one we use the whole shrimp for drying, but customers maybe they don't want this one. So how to make it? The first one we need to clean. Rinse with water for 2 or 3 times to make it clean enough. And the second one, for customer, if they don't need this one, just remove it. On
Okay,
inside,
remove their
yes, and inside you don't have a shrimp inside, so we need to remove it.
Oh, do they need to remove their shell too?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
And then, so then we can make clean and put on our tray by child, one by one, and then put inside to our dehydrator for drying. So you know what the temperature for drying this one?
The gathering temperature we used yesterday was about 16 Celsius degrees. 16 Celsius degrees is suitable for shrimp, but for most kind of seafoods, the dehydrating temperature would be lower, right?
Yes, Lola.
Yes, it is not a fixed number, but it depends on the property of the material. So if you don't know the dehydrating temperature you need, you can just subscribe our YouTube channel or contact us, and we'll give you more comprehensive solution.
Yes.
And how about this one? What is this?
There's no fish. You know the color so has gold, almost the same as one.
Oh,
Every
I-
time. No, and even the shapes, just a little bit shaped, a little bit, you know,
I think its size is quite similar.
like original.
Yeah.
And the inside is enough.
Well, it is crispy too.
Yes.
Can it be fish color?
Okay, but you need to join with the humidity at around 5%, then will be okay. But
Okay.
this one is setting for around 10, so this one maybe cannot.
So this kind of small fishes can also be ground into powder as long as its moisture content is low enough. So we have dehydrated for 20 hours yesterday, but
Yes.
you you want to make fish powder, the dehydrating time should be a little bit longer, like 13 to 40 hours. Right?
Almost like that, yes.
Okay, thank you very much, Orange. And can those dry fish be fish soup too? Just cook them on the water to make a fish
Yes,
soup?
that's okay. We can make different according to customer their requirements.
Okay, that's good because you can make some soup for dinner, lunch.
These so many things.
Okay.
Also, we have some special model machine can provide our customer for the drying test. So that is very good for our customer. They are very amazing when they receive this type of hydrate test.
Yeah, this is very good because some of the clients do not know, they know not much about the hydration, so they can just let us know more about their needs. So if we can find a raw material in here, we can maybe arrange a dehydrating experiment for them, and we will give them the feedback, the dehydrating tips to them.
Yes.
This should be helpful.
Yes. As you know, our dehydrator which use the special drying system is the closed loop dehydrating system. And this one can make us the drying materials, not only to keep the good quality, even the surface and the nutrients, and especially for the seafood production dehydration, in case use our IKE dehydrators, we can make a test. Just make a test. It is will feel a little bit light than the same material we drying in IKE brand dehydrator compared of the traditional other ways of drying. So this one is very good. Can help our customer to get a good sale price in their market. So this is the very good they want.
Yeah, we will introduce more unique advantage of IKE closed loop pickup dehydrator later. Sure, IKE can help you maintain materials' original color, odor, taste, and nutrients when the electricity consumption is low. This is one of our unique advantages too.
So are you curious for how to dehydrate with this product and use which model of the machine is best one for drying?
Sure, because different materials may need different dehydrating temperatures. So it's important to figure out what dehydrating temperature you should use and humidity you should set. So
later we'll share with our customer online, you guys, just like you mentioned. Later my colleagues researcher will introduce for which model is the best one for dehydrate the seafood products.
yeah, so what will be the material to be dehydrated today?
Today is the basa fish here. As you can see, here is the basa fish materials you already prepared. So please have. So later our colleagues researcher will come to share with you about this one. So here it is the sapa fish with price with the thickness is about 8 mini features, and then just protect them. So come this way, we put them inside the chest. Hello, Raisin. Hello, Orange. Hello. So let's share with you for the drying machine, okay? Thank you.
Okay, pass them on. Then please put the tray into the dryer. Okay, thank you. Then we'll close the door and turn on the machine. At this time, we will set the temperature. Because this is a seafood, we will set the temperature at the low temperature. We will select the constant concentration and temperature mode and preset the temperature at around 55. A heat pump food dry machine because Many people, especially in the agriculture, fishery, and farms, will face a big problem in the harvest peak season. They will have a lot of fruits, vegetables, and seafood, and this fresh product is too much and cannot to sell. So how can we store this food? So the food dryer is your best choice. Maybe some people will use the traditional drying method, such as the sun drying, but it's very dependent on the weather, climate, and it costs a big labor cost. So at this time, the heat pump food dryer is your best choice. Okay, let's take a look at our machine. This is our machine WH100T. You can see it is made of stainless steel. The cover is stainless steel. It's easy to clean and long durable. And this one is the controller. It's a touch screen controller. It is invented by our IKE R&D department. It is easy to operate. As you can see, just now I just preset the temperature, then the machine can be run operated. In this another way, you can see the machine have the four wheel. Here is the brake. So you can move the machine to anywhere and anytime. Maybe someone will ask why we need this smaller machine, because this is smaller machine is all-in-one machine. It is no need to assemble or install. When you will see this machine, you just connect the power supply, then you can run it. And then this machine is come with a stainless steel tray or the practice tray. Let me take a look at the standard tray. This is the practice tray. You can see it is have the good hole, and it is has good ventilation. Another advantage is it can step one by one. So it's easy for everyone to move it to the machine. Our another standard tray is stainless tray. So let me see. This is the standard tray. So you can see at the bottom there is a bar, and the flavor is the bar. It's very stable, and the maximum capacity is 10 kilograms. If your budget is not enough, or your product is light, you have another choice for you for the tray. Maybe the flat net tray. So this tray is for the light product, such as the apple chip or the leaves. As we can see, maybe someone will ask, what temperature we need to select while drying the seafood. I will tell you. If you want to dry the seafood, you need to select the low temperature. Then this machine is suitable for you, because this machine, the working temperature is from 20 to 80 degrees. From 20 to 50 degrees Celsius, it is suitable for drying seafood and flowers. And the temperature at 50 to 65 degrees is suitable for drying vegetable and fruits. And the temperature at the 65 to 80 degrees is suitable for drying meat. So we can see one machine can solve all your problems. That is why the reason I tell you this is a functional and commercial drying machine. 100 series is your best choice. Today, just you can see, I'm doing the product test for our customer to dry the fridge. If you have any queries, you can send email or subscribe our YouTube channel or send your product, then I will help you to do the product test. Okay, let me see the wind structure for this machine. The heat pump system is at the bottom, and the hot air is blown out from the fan, and then the hot air goes through from the tray and take off the moisture, and then return to the inlet. So the hot air is circulating in the machine until the machine will reach your target moisture content. So it's very easy to dry your products. Okay, maybe someone will ask, if I want to dry something, if I want more trims, what can I do? We have another choice for you. This is our other product. This product is our model 100 GM. The capacity is the same. It is from 20 kilograms to 100 kilograms. And the temperature is from 50 degrees to 80 degrees Celsius. But the difference is the wind structure. This, maybe we can just take a look. So you can see the area is bigger than the other models. It comes with 20-piece stainless steel. So you can put more drying areas, such as a leaf. So if you want to, another reason is the wind dust is both sides, and the large wind will circulating in the machine. It's much evenly the drying quality. So if you want to know more about other information, our IKE food dryer, please contact me or subscribe our YouTube channel. Our YouTube channel is IKE Industrial. And the last part, I will pass to orange and apple. Hi. Hello.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much for the machine share. Thank you so much. Hello, Apple. Just now I got a message from one of my customers because we want to dry some seafood.
再嚟過。
Hello, sorry, just interrupt because the network is not very good. So now let's go ahead. Thank you so much for the share machine about the 100 series. Thank you, Raisin. Hi, Apple.
Yeah,
just
hi.
now I got a message from my customers. He wants to make some seafood drying.
Yeah.
But she already buy our dryer, but he don't want to share. So could you please share with them for how to make the treatment before drying?
Okay, actually, the processing before dehydration is not difficult.
Yeah.
The client just need to figure out what the cutting thickness
Yeah.
and the pickle weight of them. For example, like some big fish,
Yeah.
like for some big fish, they may be 1 meter length.
Yeah, so need to cut.
Yeah, the cutting thickness and the cutting length should decided by them because there are maybe some preference on their local market. So once they have decided the cutting thickness, they just need to the next step would be design the pickle weight because some clients would pickle the fish with some salt, or maybe someone would like to smoke them. The taste would be more special, and maybe they would pickle the fish with some sugar or something else. So after the pickling, they can just placing them into the dehydrator and start dehydration.
So in case for make some sugars or make how many percent compare of the fresh weight they can put inside?
That one is also depend on the clients because we can provide some suggestion, but the flavor should based on their preference.
Oh yes, so you can make some tests exactly according to actual requirements. And now you know because we the online show several times, so I got several questions from the online customer. Thank you so much for asking the question to us. So how about this answer the question for them now?
Okay, that's great.
So let me check it now. What is the first question I got?
There are some questions they left.
Yes. It is very important. A customer from the from USA.
Yeah.
He want to know what temperature we need to dry the basa fish. Just not the basa fish. He want to know the temperature.
Okay, that's an interesting question because for those fish, if you want their shape and color can be maintained well, they can choose a lower dehydrating temperature like 14 to 15 Celsius degrees. It's okay. But if their critical is not too high for the shape or the color, the temperature can be a little bit higher, like 65 Celsius degrees would also do.
But at the first trying, better to use the low price because you don't have too much experience. So after several times trying with the good result again, then you can rise up the drying temperature.
Yeah, the dehydrating temperature that suits you best can be tested and you can find out step by step.
Okay, so is there any other question from your tuner?
Okay, Mr. Brad want to ask if he wants to buy a dehydrator, how can he just pick up the suitable one? Can we give him some advice?
Yes. So because we have the many different kinds of the models with the different temperature and dehydration capacity. So the first thing, there are several things you need to share with us before we give you the best solution. The first important one is tell us what materials would you want to dry.
Okay, that's very important. I think.
And the second one is tell us how much capacity for daily or for per page they want to dry.
Yeah, just like maybe 100 and 500 kilograms per day.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay.
And also the next is also very important part. Tell us how the final weight they want to dry, because this one is very important for us to know the final humidity ratio they want.
Okay, if we can know the how many percentage of moisture they want to remove, we can calculate the approximate dehydrating time, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Okay,
like
that's
that.
great.
Yes, and also if they can show us for the ways how they are doing right now, and that will more easier for us to give them the best solution, because some customers not only focus on the quality, they also have some budgets. So we need to give them the very nice one. We need to get the more information they share with us, so they will save time for us to give you the best, right solution for you.
Okay, get it. Because IKE have many kinds of dehydrators, so welcome to subscribe our YouTube channel and visit our website to know more info about them.
Yes. So
okay, so what would be the next question?
Let me see. Okay, this is another one called Jessica. So he want to know if buying the machine IKE, so how to maintain the machine if there's some problem during the use.
Oh, okay. That's one of our advantage because basically the maintenance is no need in the daily use because you just need to do some basic daily cleaning in the dehydrating system, like the main machine and the trays, and just need to guarantee the sanity of the drying house. So
Yes.
because it is important for food production. Apart from that, the maintenance is basically no need.
Okay, so this just one maybe is our customer or just buy the new one because she have another question for how should she to do if they find the machine is something wrong. So how to keep the best faster communicate with us because you know we are far away from them. So how to solve this problem?
Actually, there is a IKE intelligent management system with the machine. So if you think the materials goes wrong, you can just send us a photo or video of the working condition image and its working curves. Those images would help us to know what is going on with the machine. So we will provide advice and give you suggestion to fix the machine. It is okay, and we have faith and confidence to guarantee your using experience.
Okay, that's good. Thank you. And here the next question is from Mr. Biban Educans. He wants to know because he has several years of the experience for the dryers,
Yes.
and he know compare our price as the other machines in the world in the market of China, and he found our price is a little behind, quite expensive for him. So why they need to choose us? Why choose IKE's?
Yeah, some client would also complain that why our dehydrators price is a little bit higher than others because they should know different drying machines would lead different dehydrating effects. So for most kind of drying machines in the market, their drying way is just removing the moisture from the material by high temperature, and this way it's not good to maintain materials' original property, like the color would be darker and the shape cannot be maintained well, and they will shrink too much. Like this fish is dehydrated by IKE, but if you dehydrated them by
original.
If you drying them by the other machines, their size may be a lot
shorter.
Shorter, in our way, it's
almost keep just a little bit shade. This is just the moisture move out only. And our moisture from the material is 100% pure water, not the other energy from the material exactly come out. So this is the very important technology part.
One key of IKE's dehydrating way is that we will lower the relative humidity inside the drying house, not just forcing the moisture out directly. So our way, you can say it is more mature and the best way to maintain your materials' original property and make them to be more valuable.
Yes, and every machine for our dehydrator before the shipment, we will make a special test, like the aging test. So how long we need to take this aging test before the shipping?
Basically, it will take 2 to 3 days because we need to make sure the machine will be perfect after you getting it, and we want to guarantee the client's using experience.
And do you know why we made this aging test? Is very important because our closed hood keep have system drying is the special one in case we didn't find a problem within the 2 or 3 aging test. So that means this machine can be keep long time use without any problem.
That's right.
That's why our feedback of quality is very less. So I think this is why the IKE technology department made very good. We keep on moving every day to focus on the quality and focus on the technology development.
Yeah, you are right.
Yes.
Okay, so maybe let's see the next question. Okay.
What is question?
Okay, the next question is from Mr. Lee, and he wants to know if we can provide some processing machine. You know, before the material goes into the dehydrator, there may be other processing way, like
That
washing
is a
and cutting.
very good question, you know.
Okay, why?
Come, you see, IKE is the full machinery, not only the food dehydrate. We have the full washing machine, full peeling machines, full slicing machine. And not only the food drying machine, but also the packing machines. As you know, we have the over 10 years experience, the collaboration of our customers. We
Yeah.
keep a long-term relation with them, and now they're not only our customer, but
Yeah.
our partner. Even some of them already our export agents. So they find some requirements of customer. They want to know some joint, for example, like the apple or orange. They need to
Yeah.
wash. They need slice. If we can solve this problem, they can save the time. So that is why I can already start our step to make the production slices. So now we have so many things. You can leave the message to us or can tell ourselves, then tell us what you want, and we will back to you and give you the best solution according to your requirements. That's very good. It's a very good question. Who? Mr. Lee?
Yeah, Mr. Lee.
Oh, so Mr.
From-
Lee, last time you buy the machine from us, I give you the 1% discount.
Just contact us and you may get a bigger discount.
Yes.
Yeah.
And you know, come on, I like the online shop you see, but now the online shop time is almost over. How we do Apple?
Yeah, sure. IKE will have further live show next time, maybe in May, maybe in April. If
Yes.
you want to know more about us, just subscribe our IKE YouTube channel and welcome to visit IKE website www.ike.cn. You can leave message on our website or just send us an email. Let us know your needs and we will provide comprehensive solutions.
Yes, today so happy to share with you, especially to answer the question you leave. So we like this word. Next time, if we have the online shop, give us the more the question you asked, we'll give you the very good answer.
Yeah, we are glad to help you in this field.
Yes, and where is the Raisin? Where's Raisin?
Hi, this is our friend.
Raisin, thank you so much just now for sharing the machine with us, the customer. Just now, I also got a receipt of the message from William. William is the name of my son. He's very interested for the machine. Just now you share with them. Come.
Okay.
Maybe this one you can follow up this clients. William, for you follow up.
Okay, thank you.
Okay. Thank you so much for today. So
Okay, see you next time.
see you.